In this episode, we'll look at how to use Taptilo Music in self-study mode. Please note that Taptilo Music is a beta version and does not include all music-related content. To start Taptilo Music, press and hold all three buttons together until you hear Device Settings.
Device Settings.
Using the buttons, choose Program, then choose
English.
Music.
Music.
The device will restart. If you would like to learn more about device settings, please check out episode 5 in this series. In music, there are 3 activities: play a song, solfege, and compose. These activities are designed so that you can follow them in order. The first activity is play a song. In this activity, you will learn the notes from the song Mary Had a Little Lamb. As in trace and write, read the notes on the braille display and use the blocks to create the same patterns.
Are you ready to play a song? Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi.
Press the circle button to check the answer. If you get it right, you will move on to the next line.
Great!
You can continue until the end of the song. To skip to the next line, press the right arrow button. If you want to listen again, press and hold the circle button. Once you're done with play a song, you'll move on to solfege.
Solfege.
In the first part of solfege, you will learn the notes in the C major scale in the 4th octave.
Do.
As in trace and write, read the notes on the braille display and use the blocks to create the same notes. Press the circle button to check the answer.
Great! Now let's mix the notes around.
When you're done with the scale, you'll hear "Let's mix the notes around," and you'll practice a few notes this way.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Great!
The last activity is compose.
Compose.
In this activity, you can use the blocks to write any notes that you've previously learned, then play them by pressing the circle button. You can change the instrument by pressing the right or left arrow button, then pressing the circle button to select. You can choose from piano, trumpet, or bass. Lastly, I'll show you how you can move from one activity to another in music. To skip to the next or previous activity,
Solfege.
you can press and hold the right or left arrow button for 2 seconds.
Compose.
Also, when you press and hold both arrow buttons at once, you can go straight to
Play
the
a
last
song.
activity, compose, or the first activity, play a song. That's it for Taptilo Music. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments.